Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy marry me pork chops? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So of course you're going to need some pork chops for this Marry Me Pork Chops recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. First, I'm gonna coat the pork chops with some olive oil so that the seasonings will adhere nicely. And then I'm gonna go in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Next, I'm gonna add some buttery garlic and herb seasoning to the pork chops. And then after that, I'm going to put a light dusting of flour on the pork chops. I lightly seasoned my flour with the same seasonings that I put on the pork chops. And shake off the excess flour. Now I have my pan on medium-high heat and I added some butter and some olive oil. The butter is for flavor and the olive oil is so that the butter doesn't burn. Once the pan is nice and hot, I'll add in the pork chops and I'll let them sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. They don't have to be fully cooked here because they're going to continue to cook later on in the recipe. And next, I'll remove the pork chops from the pan and add a little butter, but you only have to add the butter if you feel like it's needed. And then I'm gonna flavor up my pan with some Better Than Bouillon chicken base, as well as some garlic paste. Once I get that stirred in well, then I'll add in some chopped onions. Stir, stir, stir. The next thing I'm gonna do is add in some chicken broth. I'll give everything a stir before going in with some heavy whipping cream. Now after I stir up the heavy whipping cream, then I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. Just keep stirring and the sauce will thicken up as you stir. Now I'm gonna season up the sauce with some ASIL and some fresh cracked black pepper too. And some Italian seasoning. And now I'm gonna add in some sun-dried tomatoes. And after that, I'm going in with some fresh spinach. And I'll give it a stir. And then I'll add my pork chops back to the pan and let them cook for about another 5 to 6 minutes. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This Marry Me chicken came out off the chain good. Just packed with flavor, super yummy. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make it look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.